Well, we're finishing ripping her. We've had this, the Gantry, I think it's Conquer, 1/16 scale for about a week now. Did speed run on it. She got great speed. Been ripping the crap out of her. got in the brush out there and got stuck in a stick and had its first problem. So the T-bone stripped a little bit. That's kind of our fault. We're running them hard and something was stuck in there and we continued to gas it. So that it should be a quick fix. I'm gonna get that fixed and get it back running. But wanted to just give my thoughts in general on this rig and do a montage of some of the ripping we've done. This thing's an awesome little car for under 60 bucks. This is the battery it comes with. I mean, this thing goes about 22 miles an hour. It's brushed, so it's cheap. It handles nice. Overall, I got nothing really negative to say about it. You know, yeah, a maintenance part broke, but we've been trying to beat it up. We've been, you know, we took it to the skate park. We took it everywhere. So it's definitely earned its $50 or $58 that I paid for it. I mean, it's got lights. It's got friction shocks. That could be better, but I mean, these bashers, you want it all plastic, and it's plastic in the right places. It's got the oversized swing arms, which is nice because that's something that even like they improved on. The EC30s only got them in one location, not both the front and the back like that. So I mean, it's a good little rig. Yeah, I got a couple more coming. We'll compare them to this and get the, you know, I might even have a T-bone that works in that. The EC30 might fit. If it does, that'd be awesome. Now you can upgrade. In terms of upgrade path, what this thing needs is shocks. That's the biggest downfall on it is shocks. You get shocks, and you can switch out your T-bones with the metal, because I'm sure there are metal upgrades for them. And this thing will be rock solid. I'll probably find a decent upgrade path and get some shocks and see what it would cost to upgrade the T-bones and get a video out on that. But other than that, this thing is awesome. You know, the shell is right. I mean, I've been beating the crap out of it. I like the swing arms. They're kind of neat. It's different. Most of the other companies aren't the same. Looks like they're interchangeable. Lefts and rights are identical. It's kind of a neat idea. That way it doesn't matter. I don't know. Anyways, it's got metal where it needs it. And before I go, now that the week is done and the review is done, let me get her set right. So I always wait until after the review to take this off, because then it's like new again. So nice little rig. Got no complaints. I dig it. Might make it out of that. Oh, hands of God. Much better. Rocks are definitely bouncy. First time we really had it on concrete. The other day it was all gravelly. while I'm sitting here, I'll talk a little more about this. It's a 1/16 scale. These are all the specs on a 390 brush motor, all in one combo. So it is a 5-pin servo. So when you upgrade, if you want to upgrade to a brushless, I would say you could probably go with a 24 series, and this thing would rock. You wouldn't have to go with a 28 series. Get like a combo deal for $20, and then get us. You'd have to get a servo too, and that's going to be the tough one. When I find a reliable servo that's the right size, it's not a WL upgrade, $4 piece of junk, I'll let you know, because I'm looking for one myself. So, anyways, all in all, there's this design is pretty true, and it's just right for all around. It's handheld. You can just take it anywhere, do any, leave it in the car. You keep the USB charger with you. Plug it in, let it rip. This thing's a good little ride. I got no complaints at all. My daughter likes this size better now than her 112 truck. Well, not better, but she definitely likes using it. So, and we got 2 more 16 scales, like I said, coming. So we'll have more to look at. All in all, I didn't know if I went over the controller very well, so I wanted to talk about that. The low and high doesn't do a whole lot. I'm not really sure. I didn't do a speed run on it. I probably will at some point, but it didn't seem to make a difference. This button here is your lights. It's got 3 modes, or 4 with off. So you got off, you got on, you got 2 different pulses. It's kind of neat. Be nice with the reverse lights. I ran it the other night, and without the reverse lights, it was hard to see. You can see where you're going, but you can't see what you're doing. So it's pretty simple, though. It's got your polarity change for your steering, and your speed and your trim. Nothing's the one nice thing about this one is they do give adjustable steering column, so you can change your it's not just, a lot of these will come with a solid one piece, non-adjustable. So that's the one plus with this that the other ones don't have. I haven't put the wheelie bar on it yet, but I probably will, because once I got this on the blacktop, it was wheeling all over the place, and I do have a 3S battery coming, so once I get one of those in, we'll speed test this with 3S. Same with the other guys. I'm sure this thing will be insane with 3S. Anyways, I hope you like, subscribe and all that good jazz. And I'll see you when I see you.